1, 2, 3, 4.
So here we are at Garden Grove Main Street. We got John Hoisington and crew here. What's up, guys?
Hey.
And we got the Humble too. And what a way to start tonight. So there we go. We put the camera noise on. Guys, all right, we got a little break in the action here. So it's Garden Grove, tonight's camper speed shop night. And there is my lovely fiance. Hey, Ting. Are you having fun? You're shooting as much as I am. Look at that. She's as bad as I am when it comes to social media. There's Shaggy. What's up, brother man? So yeah, it's Garden Grove. It's Friday night. I gotta find Doug Dorr around somewhere. Look at all this great stuff they have out here today. Nice. We got tons and tons of stuff. Live music. Who's our band tonight? Check it out. What do we got rolling here?
Yeah, when I want to rock steady. I know I've got
the door. Oh, I believe that's mine right there.
Yes, it is.
We're gonna have to come back and discuss some business. Hey, there we go. We got Lou in the house with Doug.
So you can come back whenever you want and get it.
Oh yeah, well you know I don't want to carry it around on me.
Yeah.
But it looks bitchin'. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I guess I'm a proud owner here of this sweet spark plug. Yeah, I showed a couple people that loved it. So yeah, here we go. Off we go and walking around.
Have fun.
I got my girl with me. She's already out here shooting. She's already been. She's done more video than I have. She's worse than I am. Guys, it's Garden Grove. I got my beautiful little bride Ting. Hi Ting, say hi. No, you don't have to run away. You just smile and hi. There you are in front of Ed Hodges. 1940 Ford. This looks like Steve Thomas is in the house. They're probably over here having dinner. Look at that, he's getting quite the collection here. He needs a new PCTV sticker. Who's this for? Anybody over here? Alex, is that Tom Ringland? I can't tell. All right, we keep walking. Early here. Is it Ford? We have here Dodge, Ford, what do we got? Let's see. Palomares.
That's right, how you doing, man?
Palomares photos, and this is Ting.
Glad to meet you, heard a lot about you, haven't met you, but I heard a lot about, it's almost like I know you, but you know.
She's so much on video. This is Ralph, this is Ting.
You're kind of famous, so.
Everybody kind of knows her already, yeah. Little famous you, little famous.
So,
1947 Plymouth. It's missing a few pieces of trim. It needs, it's still in work. That's probably very hard trim to find. But overall, what a beautiful car. Look at this interior. Wow. A few cows gave their life for this one. Yeah, very sweet. But yeah, working on the trim work. The paint is beautiful on this thing. This is a super, super rare car. You just don't see the Plymouths like that. Over here's a 40 Ford. Ting is into the cars. She likes the cars. See that smile on her face? Look at that. She loves them. This is a 1940 Ford. This is a business coupe. I love the chevron taillights. These are some of my favorites right here. I like very, very much. And it should be a business coupe. Let's take a look here. Let's see if it's a business coupe. It is a business coupe. So you could sleep inside this. You could lay down and sleep. Bed in the back. So this is a business coupe, 1940. 40 Fords are one of my favorites, and I'm not a Ford guy, and I like them very much. What do we got over here? All kinds of folks. Oh, Blacktop Magazine, Ford F100 here. Look at this. And this is a 55. She's battered, she's tattered, she's petite, but you know what? A nice 56 Ford F100 here. Ting likes the lights on the Corvettes and stuff. This is. I know she likes the Lambo door. She likes the supercars. You like this one, I know you like the moderns with all the lights. Me, I like the old cars. But you know what? This Porsche 930 right here is exceptional. This is a beautiful car right here. Love this car. get around here. And he's got the deck lid open tonight. And I know this is not a hot rod, this is not an American hot rod, but I'm kind of a Porsche-phile. I have been since the 80s. Look at this monster. This is a 930. This is called the Widowmaker. More people probably died in this car than any other car that you can never imagine. But yeah, Porsche 930 Widowmaker. Doug's 57 right here. And we're gonna catch the national anthem here in a few minutes. Beautiful 57 Nomad. Just gorgeous. Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, how are you?
Good, how's it going? How you?
Hanging in
Good
there.
to see you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, walking around with my fiance somewhere. I lost her again.
Haven't been able to make it out to the Surf City stuff on Wednesdays because work schedule hasn't allowed.
It's been killing me too.
Yeah.
I missed a bunch of meetings and I was sick for about 10 weeks with that.
Wow.
Somebody gave you major props on your wagon on my YouTube channel the other day.
Really?
Yeah, they just, one of my older videos, and they got me, oh my God, that Country Squire wagon's off the hook. They loved it.
You know,
So,
when I was at the Cruise for the Cure last summer at the fairgrounds, I was approached by Classic Industries, and they wanted to do an article on it. And it was just Thursday this week here that I went over there and they did a photo shoot of the
Really?
car. So yeah, it's going to appear in their online catalog, I think. I don't know.
Are they doing wagon stuff? Are they doing Fairlane
They're
stuff?
starting a Galaxy, a full-size Ford line. Yeah.
There we go. Oh, he just started for a second. Beautiful C10. Looking like 70.
Same me out.
Same as mine, yeah. Except orange. Yeah, CPP. Decked out. He's got more of the farmer mirrors on here. I got this 396 big block. He's got 20-inch wheels. He's got the nice wheels on here. Spent the money. Got the beautiful up bed. Great truck. This is a $60,000, $70,000 truck right here. Oh, it's also a CST. How to explain the big block? Yeah, super cool. Yep, he's got the CST interior in it. Bucket seats. Can't really see through the glass here, but yeah, full CST interior, the center console, the seat belt holders, you name it, it's there. Next to it, another beautiful C10. Liking the wheels. It's not, oh, it's another CST10, wow. This is a 350. Part of the C10 club. Great looking truck. Yep, full CST interior. Very Romero here, you guys. 67. Dual stack, force fed, no blower. Rally stripes. Big old meats on this sucker. It's the way we used to build them back in high school. Except we didn't have this kind of an interior. Beautiful car overall. SS 454. Definitely didn't come originally with a 454 in it. Very sweet. Here's one here, off the hook, bag, on the ground. He's got his flapper cap, but he's got his 20-inch wheels here. A lot of great scratch on this, all the artwork on this. Loving that. Wow. Very, very cool. Beautiful truck. Looking like a 53 or 54. Unless he did a one-piece window conversion. Great interior. Cuffs match the collars. Bedwood's a little bit tight. So we got the Latin gents in the house. We used to hang out and talk a bit, but we don't talk as much as we used to. So I'm never out here anymore. But yeah, this is a beautiful car. 38 Chevy. Fleet line. Gorgeous. Here's this deluxe here. Split window. I'm thinking maybe early 53, probably a 52. Yeah, it's a 52. Beautiful deluxe. Right next to it, we got a porthole T-Bird. 56? Maybe 1956. I've been forgetting my cars quicker than anything else. I've gotten so bad these days. That is a 55. God darn it, Patrick, you know better with the Ford looks to be a 55. Truck's getting ready to roll out. So this is all hooligans, right?
Terrified.
Yeah. Oh, really?
He didn't care if I saw
28 high top, 5 window. Very cool. Wow. Very cool. And this one here is a 34 hot rod. Rest of, oh, it's a glass. Yeah, it looks like a glasser. Inside seat still has his truck. Yep. Well, hopefully we'll do okay at Meekum. I'm nervous, but we'll see what happens. But they said Glendale is one of the best truck auctions of all. She said very hot. So what do we have here? Chevy?
Yeah, it's a Chevy. That's one of our guys.
What year? 30, 38? 39? 36. See? This is where I really don't know my cars. No, and that grill is really unusual too. So we got Ed. He's kidnapping my girl. I gotta adjust my light here because I'm not getting any. I don't have any. I'm not getting any light at all. Now we know this car here. Yep, I was gonna say it's 33.
Take a look at the cars out.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. All of us have one.
Well, that's pretty awesome. He's done it for everybody.
Yeah.
Look at that, fully hand carved, 33. It's one of my favorite cars here, by the way. I love it. So,
Check the machine gun.
hey, I know this one right here. I know he's got the machine gun and everything. Oh, that's right, he's got the Thompson in the back. I forgot. So you guys see, there you go, Thompson in the back. Some two-tone shoes. That's right. Bank robber car. You got your car right here.
Yeah.
1930, right?
1930.
Yep.
32 grill.
That's right. That's what always screws me up. Oh God! You already attacked my girl. What are you doing? So that's looking good. So what is that? Ed Hodges in the house? The moment I turn the camera on, he walks away from me. But look at this. We got Ed. Nice OBS here. Oh, it's a distinctive bumper distributor. I used to sell those bumpers. I mean, like 40 of them a month. I used to sell those bumpers. This was my market for years. Was OBS. Oh yeah. No, I did the flush tonneau covers. I did it all.
This guy.
Look at this guy.
Look at
What's
this
up?
guy.
Man, you were looking like a cowboy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's your grandson?
Steve Sanders' grandson.
That's awesome. And then look
Oh,
at this.
isn't that awesome?
Ting
Look at here.
She's hanging out in your car.
Back to dinner.
Just let anybody in your
I
car.
love you
won't you?
guys.
This is awesome.
I'm going to go sit back.
You know it.
That's much better.
Man, you're so
That's
awesome.
much better.
Hey, that's my doggy.
Handsome crowd of gentlemen here. Wow. And even Robert.
Hey,
Points it at me and it goes
What's
away.
up?
Yeah.
And this beautiful lady. Ting. There we go. So we're enjoying the show, having fun here at Garden Grove, and we're going to go get some of that. It's 40
Everywhere I go,
Suicide
people are
Doors.
saying, "Oh, I'm gonna
Did I
be
give you
there."
new stickers? Did I give you new stickers?
I have one.
Okay, I gave you new stickers the
I
other
have
day. Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, I got new ones made.
Hey,
They're
man.
a little bit. They were supposed to be better, but I put one on the back of my car, it already faded out, so I
You
didn't pass
guys
the
are
test.
great.